Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing to do. And we can see it's a lot of things again. I think I made a buying spree. Nah, it was offered to me. It was being sold. I mean the whole lot of it, the whole bulk of it. So and nobody bought it, but it was offered to me below the asking price or the buy now price. So I thought, oh well, I think it's worth it because these are nice collectibles. And apart from that, it is below its value as far as I can see the prices. Of course, you have to do research first before you buy things. And I did do lots of research because there's quite a few of them. So yeah, we'll see what they are. So it's nicely wrapped as well. Here we go, nicely bubble wrap. You can see a lot of it. See, here we go. So see how many you want? Lot of it. Now we have to look where to open it now. Okay, here we go. Right. The ones that I bought these collectibles are I don't know. I'm just amazed on the things that they have and what they've been selling because it's very interesting, most of it, and it is a great addition to someone's collection or some collector like me. See, see a whole lot of it. Okay, we'll go with this one first. It is inside a box, but I don't know. It's broken, I guess, or been already been. Oh, yep. Okay, it has been opened. So it's a 5 shilling, 5 shilling coin, and it is from 1953. I think this was the coronation of Queen Victoria. Oh no, not Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth. Sorry. So, so it was opened up. It could have been better if it's still on the case, but yeah, it has been opened up. But still, is it's very nice. 5 shillings, 1953, Queen Victoria, or Queen Elizabeth. Sorry. Here we go. Nice one. Nice, very nice. So this is Britain's first decimal coins, and see, it have some Britain's first decimal coin. See the half penny, 1 penny, 2 new penny, and 5 and 10 new penny. It's not in the great condition, I guess, but it is old one. See, yep. Here we go. Nice designs. New pens, 2 new pens, and it is from the year, of course, 1971, when they converted the pre-decimal coin to the decimal ones. This one have a nice patina as well. So nice, they're all nice. Say, very nice. And of course, it's inside this thing. Although it is a bit worn, eh? Okay, it was decimal. This one, it's a nice one as well. This one is nicely preserved because it's inside the plastic container. So this is the commemoration of the marriage of Prince of Wales and Lady Diana Spencer. See their photos. And this one, Prince of Wales and Lady Diana Spencer, 1981. Nice one. I don't know how many they minted for this one. It says struck at the Royal Mint. Nice one, 1981. So very old one. Yeah, lovely Princess Diana. Not Prince Charles though, or King Charles. Sorry, I'm not a big fan of of King Charles. I don't know. I just see his videos. I don't know why they show it, but but the manner at times is is very grumpy. So sorry, but he is very grumpy at times on the videos I've seen on YouTube. Okay, well, this is a commemorative coin, 80th birthday of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, Queen Elizabeth the First, 1900, 1980. So she's 80 years old when they struck this commemorative coin. So we can see August 4th, 1980. Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. Nice one. See, and you can see a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. And it says also struck at the Royal Mint. Very nice. Nice coin. See, and it's also protected, so it is good. And this one, this is the 90th. Okay, wow, I got the 80th and I got the 90th birthday of the Queen Mother. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother's 90th birthday. See the portrait of the crown. Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mother, 1900, 1990. I think this is my first coin of the 90th one. See, Royal Mint. Nice. I think this is the monogram of Queen Elizabeth I or Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, the royal monogram. And we go with this one, eh? Nice. So this is 1972. It says coinage of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, 1972, containing crown piece specially struck at the Royal Mint to commemorate the silver wedding anniversary of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, 1947, 1972. Oh, it's a commemorative coin. Wow. Okay. See, it says Royal Mint. So let's see what it looked like. Oh wow, nice. I bought it without even realizing it's a commemorative one. I just thought the year is some of the year is I mean it's just an ordinary coin, I thought, but it's not. And this is a proof coin as well, so nice one, eh? See the seal. Elizabeth and Philip, November 20th November 1947, 1972. Wow. See that one, eh? I like this one. This one's very nice. That one. Here we go. Very nice. It's amazing. See, it's very well protected from the elements and still have a nice patina on it. And of course, it's proof coins. Very nice. All right. So see the other one now. So this one is 1977. Coinage of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, 1977. And it says containing a crown piece specially struck at the Royal Mint to commemorate the Silver Jubilee of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, 1952-1977. Oh wow, nice. It's a silver jubilee. Oh wow. 25th anniversary of the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. Oh wow, okay, wow, nice. So also a nice one. Wow, wow. I don't wanna being careful. I don't wanna bend the thing. See, nice one. So this one, I have this one, but the singular one. I didn't realize it's the silver anniversary commemoration coin of Queen Elizabeth II. See, very nice ones. Very nice. And these are also proof coins. See this one. Very nice. The seal. Nice. It's lovely. Very beautiful. 1977. Queen Elizabeth riding the horse. Wow, amazing. Wait, there's more. So this one is the coinage of Great Britain, Northern Ireland, 1973. And there's some letterings here. Commissioned 50 pence piece to commemorate the entry of Britain into the European Economic Community. Okay. Containing the specially commissioned 50 piece to commemorate the entry of Britain to the European Economic Community. All right, we'll see what's inside. I'm imagining what that 50 pence that they were saying. But, oh, okay. Look, this is what they're saying. The 50 pence 1973 commissioning of the 50 pence. Very nice, beautiful. Nice one. And of course, this is proof coins, so it have a good value. See, 1973 Elizabeth. See. Very nice, beautiful. See. Wow. Nice. Okay, so one more. The decimal coinage of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, 1971. So this is the start of the decimal coin. United Kingdom adopted decimal coinage system on February 15, 1971. This proof set contains some of the first example of these coins. Wow, okay. So these are proof coin, and these are the first example of the coin. Nice. One thing I notice is I think I want the one this is my second one, my second of this. One thing I see is I don't see the paper. I mean it have a paper inside, like explaining this and that. I didn't see it, but anyway, it's case, and you have the box as well, so should be all right. But the most important one are the coins are in good condition, and as we can see, they are in good condition. Very nice. proof coins. Let me see. See, very nice. 2 new pence. Nice, very nice. It is well protected inside this container. See, it's very nice and shiny. Very nice. Look at that. Wow. To think of it, this were offered to me just for $38. Just for all of it, $38. So I think it's a win because just one of these can fetch $16-17 or probably more than that. Just one of these lot, and for $38, all of it. I mean, come on, it's it's a lot. So I don't think think it's a win. It's a win. It's a win. I think. I mean, it's a cheap one, considering the whole lot of it. So nice, very nice. So I hope you like this collection. I mean, these are getting hard and hard to find now. Probably, well, maybe in some places, you can find a lot of it, but well, here in New Zealand, I don't think we have lots of it. So for $38, it's a win, I think. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. And I do hope you all have a very good day. Thank you. And thank you.